Hello everyone and welcome to EduTap. So guys, we're back with another session for ESIC Deputy Director, and in this series we have discussed with you 15 multiple choice questions for your exam. So guys, in another session we'll be discussing another 15 multiple choice questions with you that can be relevant for your preparation and for your exam as well. So this session will be about language comprehension, and this is the ninth session, and we are discussing some important MCQs. So without any further ado, let's jump into the session and let's look at the questions. So guys, first let's discuss error detection questions which are very relevant and which are very frequently asked in your paper. So in these questions, what has been done? A sentence has been broken into 4 parts, and you have to find the grammatical error and in which part there is the error. Right. So that's what we are looking for. So let's start with question number 1. The method suggested in the lecture enables a student to learn more quickly and to have remembered for a longer period of time. Yes, guys. Can you find the error? I think I have found the error. The method suggested in the lecture enables a student to learn more quickly and to have remembered. This is wrong. And to remember. That's what it should be. To remember for a longer period of time. So the correct option here was option number C. Right, so let's go to the next question, guys. Question number 2. My friend asked me if I can lend him my Parker pen for a few days. Guys, there is a possibility that there may be no error in the sentence. So if there is no error, then choose option number D. But let's look at this question, guys. Have you found the error? Yes, no. All right, guys. I have found the error. See, guys, this is a narrated sentence. This is an indirect sentence. When you are reporting a speech. So if you're using an indirect sentence, my friend asked me, he told me, Rohit asked me, Rohit requested to me. So these are narrated sentences, malab sentences that have already been used and they are narrated again, reported speech. So in a reported speech, we do not use this form of modal. We have to use the past form of modal because the sentence has already been spoken. So it should be, my friend asked me if I can, no, if I could lend him my Parker pen for a few days. So that was the error here, guys. So the correct option was option number B. Moving on to next question, guys. Question number 3. The test will not need more than 1.5 hours to finish. Yes, guys. Can you find the error? The test will not need more than 1.5 hours to finish. Guys, I have found my error. Guys, this is a mistake we have been making since we were kids. We use 1.5 hours. This is absolutely wrong. This should have been 1 hour and a half. So this is how it is supposed to be used. 1 hour and a half. Either it could have been 1.5 hours or it should have been 1 hour and a half. It cannot be 1.5 hours. So that is where you go wrong, and this is what we need to understand, guys. So that is the error here. The error was in part B. Next question, guys. The school is within 100 yards from the church. Yes, guys. What is the error in this? Uh, the school is within 100 yards from the church. Find the error? Yes, guys. So I have found the error. See, 100 yards, not from the church, 100 yard of the church. So within a certain boundary. So the school is within 100 yards of the church, not from the church. That was the error here, guys. And next question, guys. His father died of cholera, but his mother also, though very weak, is out of danger. Yes, guys. What is the error? I think I have found my error. His father died of cholera, but his mother also, though very weak, is out of danger. So what is the error here? So also means repetition, but he is contradicting that his father died, but his mother is out of danger. So also should not have been used here. This has been mistakenly used. That's the error here. So his father died of cholera, but his mother, though very weak, is out of danger. That should have been the sentence, right? The error was in part B. These were error detection question, guys. Next, I wanted to discuss with you a cloze test. So I want you to solve the cloze test with me and let's see what could be the options. So this is the passage given. Let's read the passage first. One of the oldest cities of Asia, Srinagar, is known for its unique wooden architecture. Its dashed network of narrow streets amid multi-story wooden houses dash out its waterways, make it look like a medieval Islamic dash centers. The large-scale demolition of traditional buildings and bazaars dash the quest for modernity have, however, dashed to their disappearance. So I think this is a reflective passage about Srinagar in India, and let's look at the options. Let's see what could be the right answer. So one of the oldest cities of Asia, Srinagar is known for its unique wooden architecture. Its dashed network of narrow streets, it's expansive, extensive, extended, or expanded. Yes, guys, what should be the correct answer? Expansive is to expand, but very complex network, that is called extensive. So the correct option is option number B. Its extensive network of narrow streets amid multi-story wooden houses dash out its waterways. Open out, opened out, opening out, or opined. Yes, guys. So what should be the correct answer? It's extensive network of narrow streets amid multi-story wooden houses, opening out its waterways. Make it look like. So what should be the correct option here? Opening out. So opening out its waterways, make it look like medieval Islamic dash centers. Medieval Islamic urban centers, village centers, rural centers, or country centers? Medieval. Yes, guys. What centers? Village centers, rural centers, country or urban centers? So make it look like. See, he's talking about modernity, right? So it should be urban centers, so medieval urban centers. So that should have been the correct answer. Its extensive network of narrow streets and amid multi-story wooden houses, opening out its waterways, make it look like medieval Islamic urban centers. The large-scale demolition of traditional buildings and bazaars dash the quest for modernity have, however, dashed to their disappearance. The large-scale demolition of traditional buildings and bazaars, inside, on, or into, in the quest for modernity. Yes, guys. So the correct option should be in. So in the quest for modernity have, however, led to. I think yes, that's the correct answer. See, that is the help you get if you read the passage before you look at the option. So always read the passage once without looking at the option. So it gives you a third person perspective and your opinion, and that really helps you with your, with your choices that you have to make. So that was the correct answer, guys. Moving ahead to the next question, guys. Question number 11. Now we are looking at some sentence improvement questions. So guys, in a sentence, certain part is given in bold and you have to find the correct replacement if required. So let's look at the question. The workers are hell bent at getting what is due to them. Yes, guys, hell bent on, hell bent for, hell bent upon, or no improvement. The correct option is, guys, hell bent on. That is the phrase. The workers are hell bent on getting what is due to them. That is the correct answer here, guys. Option number A. Next question, guys. When it was feared that the serfs might go too far and gain their freedom from serfdom. Serf used to be, slaves in older times, right? In ancient times. So slaves used to be called serfs. When it was feared that the serfs might go too far and gain their freedom from serfdom, the Protestant leaders joined the princes at crushing them. So what should be the replacement? At crushing them, for, into crushing them, in crushing them, without crushing them, or no improvement? The Protestant leaders joined the princes in crushing them, not into crushing them, joined the forces, joined the princes in crushing them. So that should be the correct replacement here, guys. The correct option is option number B. Next, guys, if the room had been brighter, I would have been able to read for a while before bedtime. What should be the correct replacement, guys? If the room had been brighter, the room was brighter, if the room are brighter, had the room been brighter, or no improvement? Guys, this is a conditional sentence question. You should know the rules of conditional sentences, and the correct option here is if the room. There could have been two replacements. If the room were, not was. In conditional sentences, we use were for hypothetical conditions, right? So either it should have been if the room were brighter, or it should have been had the room been brighter, I would have been able to read for a while before the bed. So the correct option is option number C. So guys, there are some tricky rules out there that you need to be well versed with. Moving on to the next question, guys. The record for the biggest tiger hunt has not been met since 1911, when Lord Hardinge, the then Viceroy of India, shot a tiger that measured 11 feet and 6 inches. God, that is long. So guys, the record for the biggest tiger hunt has not been met. So what should be the replacement for met? Improved, broken, bettered, or no improvement? So guys, records are broken. The correct option here is option number B. The record for the biggest tiger hunt has not been broken since 1911. So that was the correct option, guys. Option number B. And last question for today, guys. His powerful desire brought about his downfall. His powerful desire. That's somewhere, fishy. So let's look at the options, guys. His intense desire, his desire for power, his fatal desire, or no improvement. I think the correct replacement is, so powerful desire should not bring his downfall. His desire for power, right? For power, that means to gain power, brought about his downfall. That was the correct replacement. The correct option was option number B. So I hope, guys, these questions was useful. These questions were useful for your preparation, and we will keep on bringing such questions to you in more such sessions in the upcoming time. And guys, if you want the PDF of all these sessions, you can join our Telegram channel, the link for which has been given in the description of the video. And if you wish to contact us for anything, guys, if you wish to buy any of your courses, you can call us on this number during office hours, 8146207241, or you can also drop us an email at hello@edutap.co.in, and our website is, guys, www.edutap.co.in. So guys, thank you so much for joining in, and I wish you all the success in your endeavors. Keep up the good work, and let's prepare and let's work hard for our future. So thank you so much once again, and happy learning to all of you, guys.